Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issue with the Windows Photo Viewer not having enough memory. So it might say Windows Photo Viewer can't display this picture because there might not be enough memory available on your computer. Close some programs that you aren't using or free some hard drive space if it is almost full, and then try again. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang itype dito yung desk cleanup, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then next step, makikita mo dito yung desk cleanup, drive selections. So select lang natin kung anong drive yung gusto mong i-desk cleanup. So select lang natin tong ating C drive and then click OK. And then wait natin. Alright, so pop up itong desk cleanup. And then next step, click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so dito kailangan mo lang i-check kung anong gusto mo i-delete na files. And then click mo lang dito yung OK. And then next, are you sure want to permanently delete these files? Okay, so click mo lang dito yung delete files dito and then close lang. And other solutions, so dito lang ulit sa search menus, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung photos. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung photos. And then next step, kailangan mo lang mag right click. And then select mo lang dito yung app settings. And then dito sa app settings, ang next step ay scroll down. And then dito lang sa reset, so if this app isn't working right, so we can try to repair it. So kailangan mo lang i-click tong repair and then wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. And then after repair complete, so ang next step, so if this app still isn't working right, so kailangan na natin itong reset. If the error still persists, so kailangan mo lang i-click tong reset and then pop up itong notifications. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So click mo lang to reset and then wait natin na ma-complete yung reset process. Okay, so after dito sa reset settings, so ang next step natin gagawin, so close lang natin itong settings. Dito lang ulit sa search menu and then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and then click mo lang dito yung yes. So, dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So, in all small letter lahat and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so gano'n lang po ka-simply on how to fix Windows Photo Viewer not enough memory error. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.